Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to talk to you about a very special tool that allows me to focus and be able to create all of my campaigns on one place, on one platform. This tool called MarketingBlocks, and I'll tell you, I'm an affiliate of it. If you're gonna buy this product, I'm gonna make money on it. Just to be transparent. But this tool really allows me to focus all my work, and it saves me a lot of times and a lot of money because usually we use so many services for our email marketing or from landing pages or for Facebook ad or Google ad and everything. So this tool allows me, like, for one payment, I'm just summarizing all of my campaigns and everything I have to do. Say hello to my cat. So it just allows me to be more efficient and just to do whatever I have to do and not just messing around with stuff I don't have to mess around with. So I really suggest you to check it out. You can check it out in the link below right now. And like, I'm sure you're gonna benefit from it, because if I benefit from it, and I've checked out a lot of tools online, you have a new tool every day, but this one really, I'm really just going with it for a long time right now, and I just think it can help any marketer. If you have an e-commerce store, or you just you are a freelancer like me, or you're creating content, I'm sure it's going to help you, because you can really do anything with it. You can build landing pages, you can manage your Facebook ad campaigns, your Google ad campaigns, your Twitter ad campaigns, your Reddit ad campaigns. You can create content, you can create videos, you can really like do everything with it, and not just messing around and wasting your time on so many platforms. And just to it allows you to be focused, and I think it's one of the most important things when you run a business. You have to be focused on what you have to do, and that's it. So I'm sure you're gonna benefit for it. Check out the link below, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great day.